Lesson selection of technical factors. Uh, Factor affecting record details and the distortions. Summary record detail refer to the sharpness and the abruptness of the structure details border. In the electronics and digital imaging, the team used to describe this quality is spatial resolution, other terms that refer to record details and the resolutions, clarity, definitions, and sharpness. Record detail is measured with resolution test pattern and expressed in the IP/mm. Record detail is affected by a number of factors. See, some influence the geometry of the image, with while other affected its photographic qualities. Anything that affected density or contrast affect visibility of detail. In the electronics digital imaging, the term used to describe this quality is contrast resolution. Distortion related to the size and shape of the image compared to the actual size and shape of the object. The term magnification, elongation, and the foreshorten are used to describe distortion. Distance. OID, SID. Summary. Record detail and magnification are inversely related, that is, record detail increase as magnification decrease. SID and OID regulate magnification, therefore they influence geometrical property, hence record detail of the photographic image. SID is the inversely related to magnification, increase SID, decrease magnification, and directly related to record detail. Increase SID, increase record detail. OID directly related to the magnification. Increase OID, increase magnification. The inversely related to the detail, record detail. Increase OID related, decrease record detail. Structure position, structural shape. Summary. Some geometrical unsharpness in the intrinsic because of the shape and position of the structure of the interest within the body. There is structure that do not parallel the X-ray tube and image receptor, and or that lie outside the central axis of the X-ray beam will be foreshortened or the elongated. The structure within the body lie at the varying difference from the X-ray image receptor, producing varying degree of magnification. Focal short size. Summary. The focal spot size affect detail by the influencing the degree blur or the unsharpness. Increase focal spot size, increase blur, decrease detail. Unsharpness is or blur is directly related to the focal spot size, and the OID is inversely related to the SID. The use of the small focal spot improve the record detail, but they generate more heat at anode. The effect or the projected focal spot size is always smaller than the actual focal spot size, according to line of focus principle. The effective focal spot size varying along the longitudinal axis of the image receptor, being largest at the cathode end and the smallest at the anode end of the X-ray beam. The small anode angle can be permit the larger actual focal spot size while maintaining the small effective focal spot size at the expense of the accounting accounting accent, accentuating accentuating the anode hill effect. Use of small anode angle can limit image receptor encourage at traditional and the short SID. Motion. Motion is the greatest adversary of record detail. Voluntary patient motion can be minimized through the good communication. Involuntary patient motion is the best minimized by use the short possible exposure time. The various radiographic accessories and are available to help in minimize both voluntary and involuntary patient motions. Equipment motion can also result the loss of the record detail in the form of the image blur. The special imaging, the special technique introduced motion are sometimes employed to see some structure particularly well. Record detail, increase record detail, phosphorus reflecting layers, mesh. The, the use of the intensify screen help to increase patient dose and decrease increase tube life. The as intensify screen speed increase, the patient dose decrease and tube life increase. The intensify screen phosphorus absorb X-ray photon emit the large quantity of fluorescent light. The fluorescent light responsible more than 98% of the film emulsion exposure. The color light emitted by the phosphor must be correct match with the film emulsion sensitivity spectral matching. The rare earth phosphorus have a greater conversion efficiency than the calcium tungstate phosphorus. The greater the conversion efficiency and the speed of the screen, the proper record detail as a result of a greater fluorescent light diffusion, the higher screen speed. Intensify screen speed influenced by the type of the size of the phosphor used, the thickness of the active phosphorus layer, the degree of the reflection given by the screen base. The quantum model is more likely to occur when used the fast screen and the low MS and the high KP factors. The phosphors that continue to fluorescence after the X-ray source has determined terminated and said a process like the afterglow. The fluorescence is associated with the fluoroscopic screens. The perfect screen film contact is required to maintain record detail. Screen can be tested for the screen film contact with the use of the special designated wire mesh. Which of the following has an affected record detail? Focal spot, screen for contact, object from image distance, all of three. The answer. Wire mesh is used to test film screen contact. C. Number third, misalignment of the X-ray two-part image receptor radiation result in shape distortion. Which of the following is considered geometrical factor controlling record detail? Answer is OID and SID. B. Fifth one is although the stated focal spot size is measured directly under the actual focal spot, effective focal spot size actually varies along the width of the X-ray beam. At position of the X-ray beam, effective focal spot size smallest at the cathode end. Which of the following will result the best record detail? 0.3 mm focal spot. Other are larger. All the following are related to record detail except grid ratio. D. This is not related to record detail. Foreshortened may be caused by radiographic object being placed and the angle of the image receptor. Insufficient distance between the focus point and image receptor. Answer is B, first and second. When the intensified skin content after exposure has entered the skin is said process lag. Which of the following has effect distortions? Source image distance, angulation, etc. and the angulation part. All of three. The answer is D.